Hello and welcome everyone. This is Michelle with PaperStampInk. I'm so glad you could stop by and spend a little bit of time with me today. In this video, I'm going to share with you our new product, the stamp cleaning pad, and we're going to give this a test run together and see how well it does removing stains from our photopolymer stamps. My channel is all about providing inspiration and teaching you how to turn your paper, stamp, and ink into beautiful cards, gifts, or home decor projects. Make sure you don't miss out on future tips, techniques, and tutorials. Hit that red subscribe button down below, ring the bell, and you'll get notified whenever new videos come out. So let's go ahead and get started with today's project. Okay, so for today's project, I have our stamp cleaning pad, and I have brought in the Floral Essence photopolymer stamp set, and I have a cherry cobbler ink pad. Now, if you've used photopolymer stamps in the past, you have seen the way they can stain, especially with these red inks. And now that staining, if you have ones that have stains, don't worry about it, because it does not impact the way your stamps perform. It's just a cosmetic thing, but I'd sure like mine to look a little bit cleaner. So we're going to give this a whirl and see how this new stamp cleaner works. I'm gonna open that up and let's go ahead and I'm going to grab one of these more clear images so we can get a little bit better test on it. Put that on here. And I'm just going to stamp on my grid paper. I don't have a project in mind at this moment. We're just giving this a test run. So normally with my cleaning, I use my stamp chamois. I'm going to be able to get some of that. Whoops, let me get that up here on camera. I'm going to be able to get some of that off. But you can see there's still a pink residue on that stamp. Let's give this a try with the cleaning pad. And come on in. I can already see that that's coming off on the pad. And then let's run that on our chamois. And I can definitely see that's getting lighter. Let's go ahead and give it a second run through. And clean that off on my chamois. And look at that. That is almost completely clear. I've got maybe a little bit of pink over here that I can work on finishing getting that off. But I think that is amazing because I have had several of my stamps stain in the past, and so I would definitely recommend this. I don't like to recommend things to you guys until I have a chance to try them out, but I'm definitely going to recommend getting this new stamp cleaning pad. Like I said, it doesn't impact the ability for your stamps to stamp properly, but if you've got a lot of deep coloring, maybe you've got some ink outside of the lines, so into the grooves, especially on things like sentiment stamps or layering stamps, if you're trying to layer those pieces up and you have too much staining, you can have a really hard time seeing where your image is going to go. So I think this definitely worth picking up. I will put a link below to that product in the catalog. I hope that you found this helpful. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you don't forget to hit that button and subscribe so you don't miss out on future projects. Thanks, and until we meet again, make sure you grab your paper, stamp, and ink and do something creative.